Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys are going to learn my language with me. For most of you that have followed me for a long time, you know that I'm Kenyan, East Africa, and the language I speak is Luo. A couple years ago I posted a video teaching you guys a few things in my language, and that was one of my most watched videos. So I was like, okay, we're gonna go back to that and let's do it. I'm randomly gonna say body parts. That's what I'm gonna focus today. So it's whatever comes to me is what I'm gonna mention to you guys. I've been able to speak my language since I moved to the US many years ago because most of my family members still speak it. So let's get started. It is we are wangi. Your teeth are laki. Your neck is nguti. Your back is toki. Your feet and kind of your legs are tiendi. I use that both. I think there's another word for it, but I'm forgetting it right now. Your butt is sianda. Your hands are lueti. Your ears are iti. Your belly button is pendi. And your, like this part, like your arms are body. So pretty much this is just a few words that I wanted to share with you guys. Yeah, I'll try to do more videos, kind of like doing this with maybe like relationship ones, like telling you guys how to say like sister, brother, and things like that. Maybe on another video. Let's see how this one goes. Then I'll come back and do that. Anyway, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys in the next video.